What's up, everyone, and happy early Mother's Day to all the moms out there. This is Eric, your best train master here. We're outside of Walmart to catch either a Brightline train or a Florida East Coast train. The signals are on my side are all lit up, so it's my cue to start filming it. Oh yeah, this train should be coming anytime. And remember, if you like my train videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel and send me a comment in the comments down below. Oh yeah, we're gonna get a good shot of this. And here comes the Brightline train. Is the engineer gonna give me a hello toot-toot? Let's find out. Here it comes. Woo! Yeah! Oh yeah, I knew it was gonna happen. Stay tuned for more railroad action on the Florida East Coast and Brightline Railway.